This 2026 East to West Ahara 395FB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a maple interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bath and a half, front bath, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.